Alright, now we've got the rear mount cut loose from the old tube, ground and prepared, and we're going to weld it in place on the new tube, moving it rearward over the rear cylinder mount so we get as much extension as possible. We're shooting for this to have 72 inches of reach past the tailplate, so no matter what length of car he goes to tow, he's going to be able to have it on his wheel lift as well as one on the deck. So now we're going to do just a little fitting to get this to go down over these holes, locate it in place, make sure it's square, and we'll tack it up and weld it.